The Sony A900 DSLR. Let's start with the first thing about this camera, and that it's a full-frame DSLR featuring 24.6 megapixels. When holding this camera, you will immediately notice its weight, as the entire body is based on a magnesium alloy frame with environmental seals. With an ISO range of 100 up to 6400, a shutter speed of 30 seconds all the way down to 1/8,000th of a second, continuous shooting up to 5 frames per second, single or continuous bracketing, and exposure compensation of plus or minus 3 steps, this is the camera the up-and-coming professional will be seeking. When you consider the file size, which is up to 6048 by 4032, Sony added a second Bion's image processing engine to accommodate the huge data size. The viewfinder of the A900 is both huge and very bright and offers a great amount of creative control, as you would expect from a professional camera. The technical details of this device: continuous shooting speeds up to 5 frames per second, a self-timer 10 seconds and 2 seconds with a mirror up function, a shutter speed of 1/8,000th up to 30 seconds plus bulb, exposure compensation plus or minus 3 exposure value in 0.3 and 0.5 exposure value steps, white balance mode, which has auto plus daylight, shade, cloudy, tungsten, fluorescent, and flash. The technical details also: TTL phase detection focus system, 9-point focus system, which is a center dual cross type with 10 assist focus points, autofocus modes of single shot autofocus, automatic, continuous, and manual focus. It has wide and spot focus areas. The pros: sturdy and very well built, excellent photo quality. Body button placement is very good. It's very easy to use. The best image quality obtained in the RAW mode. Some of the cons of the device: it lacks auto dust cleaning on the mirror, requiring a third-party sensor cleaning solution to keep the dust sensor completely free of unwanted dust. The camera lacks a pop-up flash, requiring a proprietary flash shoe. There is no live viewing shooting capability. The images are a little noisy over an ISO of 800. The RAW mode uses 36 megapixels per image. In summary, there is absolutely no question that this camera can outperform anything else on the market outside of the larger studio-type cameras. This camera is a high-end professional camera without a doubt. The A900 is the highest resolution digital SLR in the world, and also the first full-frame digital camera with an anti-shake function integrated into the body. It's also recommended using full-frame lenses, which can be very expensive.